Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on BGYO related video and I'm going to be watching BGYO play 21 questions with us. So this is from their official YouTube channel. Let's go guys. Okay.
Bistek Tagalog.
Lechon.
Sisig! Beef caldereta.
Sinigang.
Parang fast talk ganon. Parang naging fast talk, no? Anyways, yeah. Okay, so bistek. I really don't know what is bistek. I think that's steak or something, beef steak.
Beef caldereta.
Sinigang.
Okay. So, diverse pa rin yung mga gusto nila, di ba? Iba-iba. Favorite international cuisine?
Japanese. Mediterranean.
Chinese. Thai.
Indian.
Oh. Favorite color?
Green.
Blue.
Black. Green.
Brown.
Wow, ang galing. Wait, I love blue. So parang pareho kami ng favorite color ni Nate, right? Eee.
Green.
Brown.
Favorite free time? Okay, activity.
Play games.
Watch movies. Music.
Watch YouTube.
Oh, 'di ba? Iba-iba pa rin, no? Best ice cream flavor.
Green. Strawberries.
Cookies and cream. Mint chocolate.
Double dot.
Ew!
O, 'di ba? Si Jello, green yung favorite color niya. Tapos ang ice cream flavor niya, green chocolate pa rin. Meron ba ganun? Green chocolate. Yung social, no? So, mga social lang siguro.
Sarap kayo.
Oh, diba? Parang naaano sila. Kasi yung green, parang minty, ganon, if I'm not mistaken. Favorite artist of all time.
Ed
Okay.
Sheeran. Kanye.
Justin Bieber. Lana Del Rey.
Michael Jackson.
Oh, yes, true. Michael Jackson is really, I think, greatest of all time. You know, but, yeah, Akira. Ang gusto niya si Ed Sheeran. So, Ed Sheeran is kind of really legendary when it comes to composing really nice songs, you know? Okay, Lana Del Rey, kay Jello, kasi parang pang-country itong si Lana Del Rey eh. Tapos si Mickey, si Justin Bieber. Si Justin Bieber is, magaling siya sa pop. Okay, Nate is kind of, you know, a rapper. So, yun, Kanye West, siguro. Si JL, si MJ, yung gusto niya. 'Di ba? Siguro din, sa roots din nila, no? On repeat song.
When She Loved Me.
Ibig sabihin, on repeat song, pinaka-favorite siguro nila, pabalik-balik na kanta. 'Di ba? When She
Okay,
Loved
next.
Me.
From Toy Story. Otis.
Trash by BGYO. Deep
Wow! Napaka-patriotic ni Mickey.
Christian Korean.
Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
Green talaga itong si Jello eh.
By Jason
Michael
Derulo.
Jackson.
Oh!
Jason.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Loudest member. Okay.
Nate. Kuya Jello.
Jello.
I love
Sometimes
this.
Nate. Sometimes me. All of the above.
All of the above. Funniest member.
Akira!
Moodiest. Okay.
Jello!
Yun talaga yung pag-leader, no? Parang nagiging moody kasi hindi mo alam kung paano i-contain yung team, di ba?
He knows. No.
Yeah. May tendency na pagiging moody yung leader. Arrives first for rehearsals.
Nate.
Wow, that's hard work.
Now,
No.
Who eats the most?
all of us.
Ayaw buuin yung pangalan. All of us. Or sometimes Jello and Aki.
Most likely to fall asleep during
Jello.
breaks.
Jello Nate.
Jello Nate.
Or Mickey.
yeah.
Pag
Okay.
walang tulog.
Pero Jello Nate talaga, bro.
Who learns choreo the fastest?
Nate.
Yes, of course. Meron palang nagko-comment sa akin. International dancers pala itong si parang si Nate lang yung naano sa utak ko. Pero dalawa pala silang international dancers. Means to say na parang kumukumpete sila sa international stage. So, grabe, ang galing. Dream destination.
Italy.
Oh, Japan.
Japan.
Switzerland. Korea.
Wow, di ba? Ang galing. Favorite BGYO song?
Trash.
Trash kasi yun yung pinaka-latest. International collaboration. Okay.
Mars.
Woo! Speaking of Bruno Mars, dalawang song niya ang hit ngayon, di ba? Yung Apata at yung Die With A Smile. So, yeah, it would be a great collaboration. BGYO with Bruno Mars because Bruno Mars magaling din yung sumayaw, di ba? Balik lang natin.
Usher.
Yeah.
Skrillex.
Oh, I don't know that.
Iba. Ariana Grande.
Ooh! Maiba talaga. Parang babae talagang gusto ni Jello.
BTS.
Wow. Galing. Recommended place to visit in PH for foreigners. Okay.
Palawan.
Batanes.
ABS-CBN.
Boracay. Okay.
Very random yung kamiki, di ba? Pumunta kayo ng ABS-CBN, makikita mo dun yung pinaka magaling na mga artist like BGYO. Best thing about being a member. Okay?
You have somebody to lean on.
Yes.
Oh.
You don't have to sing a whole song.
Somebody to...
They can do stuff for you.
Yeah.
You have brothers. You can learn a lot of things
We're a
from
family.
them.
Oh, di ba? Parang no man is an island, ganun. Favorite line, okay, from Trash.
In a trash. Oh.
Oh,
Ang gusto ko ang favorite ko yung part ni Jello, yung paano na pa-sexy niya, ganun.
I'm ready for you.
Mm.
and I'll throw it.
Ooh.
Favorite part.
Message for present and future fans of BGYO. Okay?
Thank you for your patience.
Let's enjoy the ride.
We love you so much. Please stream our latest single, Trash, and follow us on all social media platforms, BGY_.
We love you.
Ang bilis nun O yun lang. Ang galing. Anyways, okay, so I've learned a lot from them, you can really see their influences in their style of singing, in their craft, Iba-iba yung gusto nila. So that's BGYO Play 21 questions with us. Oh, I didn't realize those naging 21 questions ba yun? Parang napakaikli lang, no? Anyways, it's like a fast talk kasi every one of them speeding, answering full speed. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna watch other BGYO funny moments and other related videos in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye.